Hello and welcome to today's training. I am Fagbangbe Kende, a data scientist at Syndro. Today we'll be looking at the date time now tool in Alteryx. So basically, the date time now tool in Alteryx, from the name, date time now. So basically, it returns the current date and time. So for example, when you have this tool in your workflow, it basically returns the current date and time at which that workflow is being run, right? So if you have, you might probably be saying, why do I need this kind of tool in my workflow? So look at it from this point of view, where you probably have some of your workflows automated using Alteryx Server, right? So you probably have a workflow and then you create a schedule, right? And then this automates at a point in time where you already set, right? And you want to know the time when this is when this workflow is being run. Okay, so you can actually use this tool to achieve that. And again, probably you have reports that you already built in Alteryx, and then you want to see probably the trend or um, a particular detail, right, in your report, and you want to get the time of at which that report is being published, right, or it's being processed, right, you can use the date time now to achieve that. So basically, the date time now to returns your dates in form of a string. So you can actually pick any format uh, you want your date to be in. Okay, so like I said, it's actually very useful. It comes in handy when you want to have like a date time header for your report. So without much talk, let's move to Alteryx Designer to check this out. Okay, so and to see the date time now too, it's under your input and output tool palette. So when you click on this, you can see it's not in here right now. So what you have to do not panic, just come to this button. When you click this button, you see all the tool palettes you have in Alteryx, and then you click on individual tool palette. So you can see this is the in or output, input or output tool palette. So you can see the date time now too in here. So we check this and then we click on OK. After doing that, let's go back to our input and output tool palettes, and then we can see that the date time now tool is now visible. Now, do not confuse this tool with the date time tool. There are two different tools, and they perform two different functions in Alteryx. For today, we're just going to be looking at the date time now tool. So if we drag this to our canvas, okay, you can see you have for every tool in Alteryx, you have a different configuration. So for the datetime now tool, this is the configuration for the datetime now tool. So basically, this is asking us how do we want our current date and time, right? Just select the string format um, uh, by which you want your current date. So let's say we want this date. So let's just pick this, and then let's connect the browse tool to this, and then run this, or it's F5. Okay, so we can see today, currently, today is the Friday, the 28th day in August 2020. Right, so we can actually pick different formats. Let's say we can just pick like year or month. So we can pick this and then rerun our workflow. Right, so you can see what we have in here. So you can see the Friday is no longer there because of the format I chose, right? So you can see in here. So this is actually like an overview, and this is actually what the datetime tool does in Alteryx. So that'll be all for today, and I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you, and see you next time.